What's the black one do? Let it go down quickly?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, that's it.
Well, Mark, what's this one?
This is our Stanley Fat Max lifter. Kind of like a helping hand really to any trade, like, so you can lift doors, kitchen cabinets, heavy stuff.
Be handy for dishwashers and wash machines, getting in underneath to raise the legs.
Getting into raise legs, even just to move them in general, like, so heavy things. So instead of having more people, you can just have 2 lifters and 2 people. So
That can be used as a spreader as well, can it?
yeah, so even in your first fix stage with your stud work or anything like that, if you needed to spread it, something, so.
And up to 150 kgs.
Yeah, per lifter. So if you have 2 lifters, then you can do 300 kgs. Like.
Would it lift this?
Yeah, sure. Look, we have it set up there now.
Give it a go.
Yeah.
All right.
You can also use it with your foot as well as your hand. So.
Well, that's save your knees.
Yeah. All right.
Some strength. And then you have the 2 adjusters there, a micro adjuster to.
Yeah. So the yellow one is
small bits.
Yeah,
small
your
increments.
yellow one is your micro adjust, and then.
What's the black one do? Let it go down quickly?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.